1, cut. Too much for that. I need an aid to tell you how you should take soft drinks. Taking Pepsi or Coke. Okay. In 30 seconds, how can you make an impression in 30 seconds? Ginawa ito ng Coke, and so we could also do it. So before telling you my piece, I'd like you to see this one. What is that?
Natawa ako.
Okay. So you can make your point in 30 seconds. We don't need an hour actually. That's why when we are on stage, it's our show. So it only takes 30 seconds. But this cut kasi took a lot of practice.